So funny enough, this video is actually supposed to be a review of this Diablo, only it's no ordinary Diablo, it's actually fake. Unfortunately, it's super hot out and it decided to leak a bunch of fluids on the ground, so we're waiting for a tow truck right now. But my buddy just picked up this fake Diablo VT. Check out the license plate. And it's actually kind of hilarious. They did a really good job. The original owner spent a lot of money making this. The interior even has some OEM Lambo components. This is a real Diablo wheel. It's got some real components on the dash, some replica seats. Of course, it doesn't have the best part of the Diablo, which is the naturally aspirated V12, but it does have a supercharged 3800 SC engine from a Buick that makes 350 horsepower. Now, hopefully it's a super simple fix, just a coolant line or something. We'll get the car back on the road and I'll actually review it because this thing is honestly hilarious. And check out the gated manual shifter. It actually has the transmission from a Porsche and the gated feeling is actually not bad. Sorry, Diablo, I know it's hot out. What is going on, guys? I hope you're having a fantastic day. Monterey Car Week is coming up in just a few days and I am so excited. Now, I just watched F-Spot's newest video where he finds abandoned supercars in Los Angeles. Now, funny enough, I was actually talking about this lot with my friend Sebastian a couple weeks ago, but I had no idea the extent of how cool it was. Whoa, they even have a car wash bay down here. All right, nice little Aston. Handful of Bentleys and a beautiful Urus. Starting the garage off strong with this beautiful RX-7 and check out this Silvia. But there are some cars in this garage that are absolutely out of this world, and I don't know why they're all here. Couple of gorgeous Porsches, beautiful Porsche turbos next to each other. But check out when we go around the corner. Right behind this FRS is an absolutely gorgeous all yellow McLaren P1. Look at that, just sitting here in a parking garage. This is absolutely stunning, and there are so many more cars up ahead. Could you imagine if they had done the 600 LT style roof scoop on the P1, having that kind of snorkel on the top? I think it'd look even crazier. But man, this is the end all be all. So cool. Oh, what do we have here? A casual McLaren Senna hypercar just parked in the corner. The wings on these are just absolutely ridiculous. Pretty cool spec, but there's a bunch more McLarens over here. Looks like we got a Dodge Demon. Beautiful 765 LT. And then next to it, another Senna in this crazy color shift purple and exposed carbon fiber. Oh, the entire car is exposed carbon, but it's got this purple color shift. That is absolutely unbelievable. And next to it, probably the rarest car in this garage, a McLaren Saber in the coolest livery that I have ever seen. This actually makes me really like the Saber. Look at that spec. Oh my gosh. Now look on the interior. The seat coloring is super cool. I really like that dotted red accents. Massive shark fin coming around to the stationary rear wing back here. Like on, similar to the Senna GTR. All right, what would you guys take? This Senna or the Saber? I think I'm going with the Saber in this case. Hard choice though. I gotta say, I think I like the front end of the Saber more than the Senna, but one of the coolest parts is look how thin these side view mirrors are. They are absolutely minuscule compared to the mirrors that almost look clunky and overly heavy on the Senna. How crazy is that? All right, bye random hypercars. There's more of you up a couple of levels. I can't get over how cool that Saber looks. All right, there are a bunch of cars in here under car covers. I've got no idea, but I imagine some of these are pretty darn cool. Casual Urus right here. Okay, as if that wasn't crazy enough, check out what is behind me. A random Bugatti Veyron, and next to it, check this out, a random Carrera GT. And then looks like this might even be a 300, look at that. It's a 300 SL Gullwing Mercedes underneath this cover. What would you guys take? The Bugatti Veyron, the original hypercar, a 300 SL, or a Carrera GT? It's pretty cool just seeing this casually. Look at that. I have no idea what this little car is. Nice little transportation vehicle. First generation Veyron doesn't have the updated headlights yet. This looks like an SLR based on the wheels. a bunch of these little micro cars, pretty crazy. Then let's go take a closer look at the Carrera GT, because not so often you get to see these every day. I absolutely love those purple center lock wheels. That looks so cool against the black and the yellow. Wow. Doesn't get much crazier than that. Or this, to be honest. On the other side, we got a nice older Rolls Royce. Also got an E36 M3. Nice Bentley Continental. Check out this random military vehicle. What is this? It's like a VW Thing military edition. I like it. Cute little BMW Isetta tucked away as well. See you later, random supercars. I imagine a bunch of these are going to Car Week, and that's why they're here, but I'm not really sure. Look, more military vehicles parked away. A lot of Bentley and Rolls Royces up in this section. Absolutely wild spec on this Phantom drop head. That used to be the biggest baller car you could buy back in the day. More Bentleys and Rolls. Damn, another Phantom drop head. This thing is massive for a two-door. This parking garage keeps getting crazier and crazier because I just found about 30 McLarens. We've got a beautiful blue 600 LT, nice 570S, 650S, 720, another 720. Check it out over here. Look how many McLarens are all in a row in this parking garage, from a 570S. Really cool spec on this McLaren GT, actually. Nice 650S. I always loved the front ends of these 675 LT on crazy HRE wheels. That is stunning. Nice 720S. An old 12C. Look how dusty this 12C is. Looks like it hasn't been driven in forever. 765 LT. 620R. Insane. The carbon hood on that 765 looks awesome. Even more McLarens. Same spec Model S. Well, that was absolutely insane. I haven't seen a secret parking garage with cars, some of which look like they hadn't been driven in forever, like they were actually abandoned. All in one place in a very long time, particularly just randomly stumbling upon it in Beverly Hills and not during Car Week. Speaking of Car Week, I am so excited for Car Week. Gonna be rallying up on the Wednesday of Car Week, planning on going to Quail. I'm gonna be going to Exotics on Broadway. It'd be great to meet a bunch of you guys there at that event, as well as Pebble Beach, the Concept Lawn, Works Reunion, Motorsports Reunion at Laguna Seca, and a bunch more shows. If you're headed to Pebble Beach and you're bringing a cool car and I haven't reviewed one yet, I'd love to review it. So send me a DM on Instagram at Vehicle Virgins and maybe we can make something happen. Well guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. Let me know the coolest cars you've ever seen spotted in a random parking garage. I look forward to seeing you next video.